Hi, it's Alvin, and welcome back to the Get to Know TutorHail series. This is video two, and today we are going to be looking at the TutorHail feed, a feed that will make you smarter, a feed that will help you connect and follow all your favorite content creators, and as well, people who are sharing content that is within your niche knowledge seeking curiosity, whatever it is. Yeah, you get what I mean. So very unfiltered this, and we are going to just be looking at how does the Twitter Hail feed work, and how do you get to post just to make a normal post or a video, and what kind of posts can you make, and how does that drive your community building. So first of all, as I told you in video one, TutorHail is a social network for learning where we connect with like-minded people, where we learn from like-minded people, and where we get to grow our knowledge. So basically, what you have here is your feed. As you can see, the feed has quite a number of things. And I mentioned that the feed is only made up of learning content, educational content, content that will make you more brilliant, as opposed to how all other social networks are set up. Some are for entertainment, some are for professional connections like LinkedIn. TutorHail is for learning connections. All right. So let's go straight to it. And over here, simply, you're gonna go to start a post. Now, what is really unique about TutorHail is that every post that you make, you have to index it to a certain subject. So basically, if let's say I am a CS, I'm a CS professional. So basically, I would want to post about CS, and as well, I've done teaching, so I've taught um, physics, math, amongst those, and so I can post about them. But also, it could just be that I found some content that is, let's say, of history that is worth sharing. Like, it really resonated with me, and I would like to share it with my community. So I could actually as well post that. Just basically like how social media works. So I will, like, right now I'm gonna post something about Scratch programming for little kids who are trying to get into coding, and as well for some grown-ups really. So I will just have to come over here and select a subject. All right. So I can search for the subject that I want. So computer science, and right away I see computer science, but also this could resonate with maybe some basic computing skills. I would want to add that. So any subject that you might want to post about, you will find it in that list. Now, if you fail to find the subject that you want, you might want to suggest it to our team. So basically, that is support@tutorhail.com. Send us an email. We'll add the subject such that next time you don't have to worry about it. You can just easily find it. We have tried to curate as many subjects as possible, but again, we can never get it all in one go. So we really want people to get engaged in this. So once that's done, just click away, because now you see computer science is added, basic computer skills are added. And so just click away. And then what grade are you really wanting your post to be for? So over here, you have all these grades in there, but also it could just be adult learners. So if you're posting for young learners, you will attach whatever grade it is. And if you're posting for adult learners, it's okay. You can just go ahead and click adult learning. And if it's for any age, yes, again, you can do that. It's for college. Well, so it do what suits you when you're making that post, and what suits the post that you are making. So for example, Scratch programming, I would like to get this maybe suited to younger kids, let's say grade 4, ages 9 to 10. And we've put these ages to be a sort of a guideline for which grade you might want to post, what you might want to direct your post to. All right. So because you might say, oh, but our system doesn't use grades, so this is quite confusing. Just look at the edges and you'll be good to go. All right. So once you're done with that, again, you can see it's already added. So click away. So let's say, hello guys, I found a really cool YouTube channel for Scratch tutorials. So I know my audience is really in love with Scratch, and some young learners just getting started. And I just found this really cool YouTube channel for Scratch. So what will I do? I will then type that in, and then maybe just use a video so everyone can just straight up get to the video. And I will type in the URL, or if I've copied it, I can just paste it in. So I will go and find this YouTube channel that I'm talking about. So I will copy that, and then I will come back here and paste that. And right away gets the preview. That's it. Click done, gets inserted, and just post that. So once that post is made, now it's live for engagement. It's live for engagement, and you can clearly see basic computing skills and computer science. Now, this is really important, because if a person is just seeking out for videos that are just about computer science, they could use the filters and they could just select out computer science. Once they click away, everything they will see now, their whole feed will just be all about computer science content. All right, until they choose to change that. Okay, so that is how you can make a post easily. Remember, you gotta put a grade there that that is suitable for the content, and you have to put a subject that suits the content. Now, also, by the way, you can just post something you really created, that's something that is off your computer. So if I get a video here, I could just choose upload, and it will basically go to my computer. I could choose wherever I want, and I get stuff going in. Just select a video, one of those, and just put it in. So simple as. Really, really, really key that we get the subjects in there and the grades in there to cater to the audience that you are trying to reach for. You can post a picture, a document, you can create a poll, and get your community engaged, really, really engaged. And as they keep seeing this, if you're an expert and looking out to be booked, this is how you engage your community with your posts, and they see whatever you're doing, and then they will try to book you. So same thing happens with the videos. If you want to just post a direct video, same thing you're gonna do. Select your widescreen widescreen video, or better still, if you're posting a short, same thing. You can use a link, or you can make a direct upload. You gotta put a description. You have to put your title. Again, select the category. If it's for a normal subject, just select core subjects, and then you will be able to search for the subjects that you want. If you want any given subject, just look through. We've got quite a number of categories like startup, you know. And so if you select multiple categories, that means all your subjects here are gonna be combined. So if you don't know what you're trying to find, where the subject is that you're trying to find, you might as well just select multiple ones and do a subject search and get the subject that you're looking for. Again, attach a grade. If you're a teacher uh, or an expert in a subject, in a different subject, and you want basically to be booked for that, easy as you letting your comments on, you start to engage the people in the comment section, and also most importantly, you toggle on the request a session. So that means people will be able to book you from this particular video you've shared. Okay, or that way that video can drive for you bookings. Okay, so if you don't want, let's say, I don't know much about chemistry, so I might post a really nice video about chemistry that I found somewhere random. As I was on my way doing other stuff, and I thought really cool to share. So I will toggle off request a session because I don't want anyone to request a session because I'm not a chemistry expert. So yeah, simple as you post your short or you post your lad video, and that's it. So get posting today, get sharing, start giving some content to your community. The ones that you've shot or the one that you found interesting. Just remember, really, really important, that if you do post something that is not yours, credit the creator. Credit the creator because they take so much time to do all this content, and it's really just good behavior. It's really just good behavior because if you don't credit them and they strike it down, we shall take it down. Simple as. All right. See you in the next one.